Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. Sometimes when trying to run a usual PowerShell Cmdlet, the error "the term is not recognized" appears in the console. What should you do if you encounter this error, and how can you restore the Cmdlet's functionality? I received the error "the term is not recognized" as the name of a Cmdlet or function when I tried to query ActiveDirectory from the PowerShell console using the Get-ADUser Cmdlet. What should you do if PowerShell cannot find and execute a Cmdlet? Use the Get module command to view a list of the PowerShell modules currently loaded in the session. The ActiveDirectory module is not among them. Next, look for this module among the third-party PowerShell modules that are installed on the computer. The ActiveDirectory module is also missing from this list. The Get-AVAilable module list command lists the built-in pre-installed Windows modules, including the Remote Server Administration Tools administration modules. In my case, the ActiveDirectory module is completely missing from this machine. If the module you need is listed here, try importing it into a current PowerShell session. The last command returned that the ActiveDirectory module was not found on the computer. In Windows 11 and Windows 10, the ActiveDirectory PowerShell module is included with the optional Remote Server Administration Tools, which are installed on demand. Let's check if this feature is installed using the Get Windows capability Cmdlet. This module is not installed on this computer. You can install the ActiveDirectory PowerShell module from the Settings application. Go to System, then Optional Features. Click View Features and then See Available Features. In the list, find and add the Remote Server Administration Tools ActiveDirectory feature. You can also install ActiveDirectory management tools, including the PowerShell module, using the Add Windows capability command. After installation is complete, restart your computer and open the PowerShell console. Let's review the list of PowerShell modules that are loaded by default. Now let's manually import the ActiveDirectory module into the current session and check that it is now loaded into memory. To display a full list of the available Cmdlets in a module, use the Get module command followed by the module name. The list includes the Get-ADUser Cmdlet that I need. I'm again trying to run the command to list users from ActiveDirectory. The Cmdlet was found by PowerShell and returned the data I needed. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.